recording? Alright, here we go, guys. We're here at Chris Cash's house. I just called him outside and we're gonna look at the water again. Let's see what he thinks about it. Here we go. I'm recording. Don't like put it down though. What's up? What's up? Nothing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You got any plans for tonight? You wanna get soaked? Is it really wet? It's not wet. I didn't get the phone. I didn't get it wet. Give me, let me see it. You're lying, it's not wet.